Tracking your follower growth using built-in analytics is simpler than you might think, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Whether you're on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook, you have powerful tools right at your fingertips that can give you detailed insights into your audience's growth. First things first, log into your social media account and go to the analytics section. Each platform is a little different, but they all offer a dashboard that gives you an overview of key metrics, including follower growth. This is where you can start diving into the data that shows exactly how your followers are increasing or fluctuating over time. Let's talk about what you'll be looking for. Most built-in analytics tools will show your follower count over time, usually displayed in a graph format. Look for a section that breaks down your growth into daily, weekly, or monthly increments. This will help you understand the rate at which your followers are increasing. If you notice any spikes, it's worth checking what content you posted around that time, as it might have resonated particularly well with your audience. But tracking growth isn't just about raw numbers. Pay attention to trends in your follower activity. For example, are certain types of posts driving more followers? Are you gaining followers from specific demographics, like age or location? By using this data, you can make more informed decisions about the type of content you're posting and when you're posting it. Now, let's take a quick look at some of the deeper insights these analytics can provide. Many platforms offer breakdowns by audience, including age, gender, and location. Understanding these details helps you target your content more effectively, ensuring you're reaching the right people. You'll also want to keep an eye on engagement metrics like likes, comments, and shares, as these are often closely tied to follower growth. Here is a pro tip. Track your follower growth over multiple periods, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Comparing data over different timeframes will help you spot patterns. You might notice that growth spikes after certain campaigns or content series. This information is key to replicating those successes in the future. When you're using built-in analytics, don't forget that these platforms usually update the data regularly. Some will provide real-time tracking, while others update every 24 hours. Keep an eye on how your data evolves and use this knowledge to adjust your strategies in real time. And before we wrap up, I want to mention something that could make this process even easier. I've tried many of the most popular analytics tools for tracking growth, and I'm recommending a software that gives you access to even deeper insights into your follower growth, plus additional features that help you optimize your social media presence. The best part? You can get an exclusive free trial through the link in the description below. This is only available to viewers of my channel, so make sure to check that out. Key takeaway. Tracking your follower growth using built-in analytics gives you a clear picture of what's working and what's not. By diving into your analytics regularly, you can spot trends, adjust your content strategy, and ultimately grow your audience more effectively. To recap, always check your follower count over time, monitor engagement metrics, and use insights into demographics and behavior to refine your content. And don't forget to take advantage of the free trial of the software I recommended in the description below. Thanks for watching, and good luck growing your followers.